Did you know that blue whales are the largest animals on planet Earth? They can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh over 190 tons. That's longer than a school bus and heavier than 33 elephants. There are about 10,000 blue whales left in the ocean, and even though they're so big, they're really graceful and quiet. They move through the water with ease and make very little noise. This helps them sneak up on their food, which is krill. The best way to find krill is to listen for their tiny clicking sounds. So blue whales use their super hearing to listen for the clicks of krill. Once they find a patch of krill, they open their giant mouths and gulp down thousands of them. A single blue whale can eat 4 tons of krill every day. That's the equivalent of a grizzly bear eating 200,000 salmon. Even though blue whales are amazing hunters, sometimes they get sick. When they do, they have to be careful not to infect other whales. That's why they cough really hard to get rid of any germs that might be in their lungs. If there are too many germs, they might have to float at the surface of the water and take big, deep breaths. Sometimes this makes them look like they're spouting water, but they're actually trying to get more oxygen. Baby blue whales are born in warmer waters and stay close to the surface. As they get bigger, they start diving deeper and deeper. When they're all grown up, they can dive more than 600 meters deep. That's deeper than the Great Wall of China. Blue whales usually only stay underwater for about 15 minutes, but they can stay down there longer if they need to. Sometimes they take it really slow and move only 3 kilometers an hour. Other times they zoom through the water at 30 kilometers an hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Blue whales usually travel alone, but sometimes they get together with other whales for a special purpose. When there's lots of food, they'll gather in groups to eat as much as they can. Sometimes these groups have hundreds of whales in them. Blue whales usually don't hang out with other animals, but when they do, it's usually with dolphins or other small whales. Dolphins like to ride on the back of blue whales, and small whales like to swim in the middle of blue whale pods for protection. Even though blue whales are gentle giants, they can be dangerous. Sometimes they accidentally hit boats with their tails. If they get too close to shore, they can get tangled in fishing nets. And if they eat too much plastic, it can make them sick. We can help keep blue whales safe by cleaning up our oceans and being careful when we're out on the water. If we all do our part, these amazing creatures will be able to swim in the ocean for generations to come.